In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the printer just in case you have had a problem where your printer is disconnected from the handheld. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your printer is turned on. So there's a green button on the lower left-hand side of the printer, and when you push that button, it'll start up and you can take a look at your battery and you can see what's going on, but that's really all you have to do there. Once you've done that, you want to make sure you have a Bluetooth connection to the printer. You swipe down once, swipe down twice, and you go to the printer, the Bluetooth function, and you check to see that you have your route number on this page. So 7004, that happens to be Andy Habat. It's set up and working. If it's not there, you need to hit more settings, and it will give you available devices here. Now you can see I have some other available devices at my home that are Bluetooth enabled, but you could just pick one of those, and then it'll ask you for a code. In the case of all of the printers, for all of the drivers, the code is 400000. So that will make sure that you have the printer communicating to the handheld from a hardware standpoint. However, we still need to make sure that it's running from a software standpoint. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the main screen, and we're going to go here, and we are going to select print share. You see in the third column, second from the bottom, print share. So we're going to select print share, and it's going to go through looking at the hardware that's available to it. You will see at the very bottom, it says Bluetooth printer 7004. That's what we want to select. So we select that guy. Then you want to select nearby Bluetooth because it is a Bluetooth connection. Now the next step is a little tricky because it says, oh, wait a minute, what am I doing here? Do I want to scan for a printer or what? The only thing you want to do is press press where it says Bluetooth printer up above, okay? And select that guy. And it's processing. And now you have to select the driver, which is a piece of software, manually. So we go here and it gives you this screen. You want to select generic. Then you want to select generic Zebra. Then you want to select generic Zebra mobile, and at the very top one where it starts with a C, that's the one you want. Now we're ready to print a test page. Let's go ahead and print a test page. And you can see the test page there in color. It's not going to be in color on the printer because you actually have a black and white printer, but you can see that it's a 4-inch roll of paper. That is correct. And you can see that the correct printer name is there. If I select print, it gives me some print options. I can print more than one or just one. In this case, I'm going to print just one. It's starting the print job. And as soon as it gets to 100%, we should start printing. And you heard the noise in the background. That was the printer doing what it does best, printing out a short receipt. Print job has been sent to the printer. We can say OK, and now we're done. Just hit the back button and hit the back button. By the way, if you don't know what the back button is, it is to the left of the scan button. It is orange, and it has an arrow that has a curve to it. On the right-hand side of the scan button, that is essentially an enter button. So you have return, scan, and enter from left to right on those buttons. And that's how you set up the printer to be able to print your print jobs for any particular order that you put into the handheld. Thanks for watching.